Do you want to see how I made this amazing looking decal right here? Check this out. So the materials I used was my Color Spark white reflective sign vinyl. Then I used our purple mermaid rainbow craft vinyl as well. And then I'm going to protect it with our Color Spark vinyl shield. And that's going to make it dishwasher safe and keep it from scratches. Now I'm going to use my Color Spark medium tack application tape. First layer I'm going to do is the vinyl shield because that's the top layer to protect it. Then I'm going to use my parchment paper and layer that on top. Use the hinge method, bring it back, squeegee it down. And then my base layer is going to be the Color Spark white reflective sign vinyl. Same thing, parchment paper, layer it down, and check this out. Freaking amazing looking reflective decal with the mermaid look to give an awesome look on a tumbler or whatever you want to put it on. Make sure to follow, comment with any questions.